are unboxing the LOL Surprise Furniture. I got Boss Queen in Series 3, 10 surprises, and a school office. I got Independence Queen, 10 surprises, Season 2, backstage. Let's unbox it. Yay! Unboxing begins. So there should be an arrow and a 1. There should be a 1 on the ground, and there is a hole. And the second one, the same thing. And I got this desk with drawers that you can store stuff in. I got this makeup stand that you could store whatever kind of makeup you want, even small ones. And I got this spinny chair that your LOL can sit. I got this normal circled chair with blue, white, and pink. And we have these little accessories.
Whoa, what is that?
Oh, this is some lipstick! And this is also the doll's sippy bottle. And then if you let them drink it enough water, they could have a water supply. And this is how my dog, Boss Queen, looks like with her clothing on. This is how mine looks like. And let's start playing. Woohoo! Time to first day. Looks like Independence Queen invited me to a play date. I'm gonna bring my computer there so we can watch some TV. I'm just gonna put it on the TV. Okay. I'm gonna get something. Let me see. Oh, here it is. And are we watching TV? Oh, sure. Oh, cool. There, the TV show is done. Thanks for coming, Boss Queen. I really had fun. Huh? Where's my computer? And where's my lipstick? Oh, I'll find it. Well, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Where is it? Where is it? I can't go on the singing competition without my lipstick on. Where's my computer? Did I leave it here? Is it here? Is it in my drawer? Is it in my mini drawer? Oh, did it got squished under my beanbag chair? Is it under my squished chair? Hello. I'm gonna go check in my neighbors. And I'm very tired. Independence Queen, can we look under the table? I don't know. Okay. Ooh, I found my lipstick. Is my computer under the? Here it is. Yay! We got it. Kind of funny. Yeah. I'll get back researching. And I get back practicing my talent show and making some makeup.